Happy Monday here at One Hot Bite. I'm Melissa and we are gonna make lemon gelato today. So this is not an ice cream, it's a gelato, and there actually is a difference. It's fat content and the temperature. So the temperature in which it's served. So we will go over that, but honestly this is like 5 ingredients. I'm gonna say it's super easy because there's really not a lot to it. I have a Cuisinart ice cream maker, so that makes it a lot easier for me. But if you have an ice cream maker, it's really super easy. Getting your ingredients together is really not that difficult, other than we need to really watch our temperatures of our milk and as we add our egg yolks and things like that. And I'm gonna make sure everything is down below. So temperatures will be down below, ingredients will be down below. And if you follow the technique, you'll understand what we're doing, but it's a super easy. So let's get cooking and make this delicious, yummy summer treat, because I love to do treats on Mondays. And let's get cooking. Okay, so we have all our ingredients done. We have our lemon zested. We have everything ready. You're gonna want everything ready before you get rolling with this, because I'm gonna say it comes together kind of quick. As the temperatures hit, it kind of hits pretty fast. So we're gonna go ahead and get our milk to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. That's where we wanna be. That's 79.4 degrees Celsius. My thermometer does Celsius. Okay, so we dissolved our sugar, we have our milk up to temperature. Now we're gonna take a little bit of that warm mixture, mix it with our egg yolks really quick, just to bring that up to the same temperature. So the reason we take some of the hot milk and put it with our egg yolks is we want to bring them to similar temperatures before we rise the temperature again, to make sure it gets into a custardy-like texture. Okay, our lemon zest is in. We are gonna make sure that it at least stays above 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, and doesn't drop below that, because we want it to warm up. We don't want it to boil. The key here is to not make it boil, or you're gonna have like scrambled eggs. Not really, but kind of. So it's gonna be super eggy, so we wanna make sure we stay within boiling and that 160 or 71 degrees Celsius temperature, and we're gonna keep it there, and we want it to get thick enough to cover the back of a spoon, and so we're gonna get it to that temperature. We've now added the final part of our ingredients, the lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and the heavy whipping cream, the heavy cream. So anyhow, we go ahead and put those in. We have that all mixed up. We're gonna cover it with plastic wrap. We're gonna cover the top of it with a plastic wrap as well to chill, and that's just so it doesn't develop a skin. That sounds so gross. So we're going to go ahead and get that in the fridge and chilled. You can chill it for a couple hours to overnight. Doesn't really matter. You just want it nice and chilled before we put it in our ice cream maker. You know, people always want to know what's the difference between ice cream and gelato. Let me tell you. First of all, the difference between ice cream and gelato is ice cream is made with more cream and gelato has egg yolks in it. Also, ice cream is between 14 and 25% fat, where gelato comes in leaner, between 4 and 9% fat. And another thing, ice cream is fluffier because it's churned more, where gelato is denser, but being denser, it has more intense flavor. And lastly, gelato is served at between 7 and 12 degrees Fahrenheit, where ice cream is 10 to 15 degrees warmer when it is served. So there's your tidbit for the day. Okay, so we are chilled and ready to go. My Cuisinart ice cream maker, as you can see, it comes with an inside, and when this is not cold, it sloshes around and you can hear the liquid inside. So I've frozen it and it's nice and cold. We're gonna go ahead and put it in our ice cream maker. We're gonna add our mixture. It's nice and chilled, and about 15-20 minutes, we're gonna let it roll, and I'm gonna show you how beautiful. Okay, so we pulled it out of the ice cream maker. It is ready to, I have it in a freezer container so that it can go in the freezer again, and it's gonna go in there for about 2 to 4 hours. And honestly, you can freeze it up to days. It's a good idea to take it out of the freezer about 30 minutes before you serve it to hit the right gelato temperature. So anyhow, we're gonna put this in the freezer. After about 2 hours in the freezer, we pulled it out and it is absolutely perfect. I wish you could taste it. The tang of the lemon just puts this over the top. So there you have it. Another hot bite from One Hot Bite. Happy Monday. Enjoy some nice cold gelato on this getting summer day. Love you guys. I'll see you on Thursday.